My boys. Alright, y'all boys, I ain't gonna lie. I recorded a whole trade breakdown yesterday for all the trades last week because I didn't record nothing last week. And the whole video don't got no audio. Like, I literally recorded a video for every single trade I took last week, passing the account because I passed the account on Tuesday. Yeah, it literally just took me Monday, Tuesday. It took me Monday, Tuesday, I passed the account. Wednesday, I took a dub and then I took a loss. Thursday I did the same thing. I took a dub, then I took a loss. And then Friday I ain't take no trades because I left out of town, and I ain't get back until Monday. And then I also did a trade, and then also in the same trade breakdown I did yesterday's trade too. And then yesterday I took an L, but hella people took an L yesterday. If you seen March 11th, everybody took an L on that trade. Yeah, I'm just not about to re-record it because it was too long of a video for me to re-record. But it's today, Wednesday, March 12th. It was a pretty good trade today. I did the same thing though. I took an L, then I took a dub. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I gotta do something about my entry. But actually I didn't even feel like my entry was that bad. It was just it just happened to just go directly to my stop loss and then go in the direction that I needed to. So I got right back in. But let's just get into the trade breakdown, man. I'm doing too much talking. So we on 1 hour. We did have CPI news today, but it was at 7:30 my time. So I wasn't really worried because New York Open is 8:30 and it's a whole hour after news. And yeah, so that don't really got nothing to do with me. Damn, if I would have held, this is still going down as we normally do. We got closest highs marked off. Feel me? Pre-market low marked off. This Asian session low right here marked off. I would have made a wick directly to the top of news high because normally that's just something that you're supposed to do. But I already had this level here from Friday. This was the low of Friday and kept on doing what it was doing. But then it blew through it like it didn't respect this the next time. So I just kept it there. And today it kind of, but today's news, it didn't exactly hit this same level, but it got, right up to it. So I just left it there. At 8:30 at market open, we had kept on going. Maybe I got to scale down again in 5 minutes so you can see. Okay, cool. Now you can see better. At 8:30 we had came up here like this. So this is now we've just made this new low because even though we didn't sweep news high, we came back up to this level. So I seen it as kind of the same thing. And then immediately, right when we came up to this, we started dropping heavy. And I thought this candle was going to take out these lows. And you don't know because the whole video I recorded yesterday got deleted. But I'm finna make a whole nother video on that. But that's basically all I look for when I get on the charts is a liquidity sweep, a breaker structure, a tap back in above that breaker structure, and then a drop or whatever direction it's going. But lately everything been dropping. Like the last 2 weeks been bearish. So once we broke this structure right here and we came back above it on this candle right here, I took this trade. No, it was right here. I took this trade, expecting it to drop. Mind you, it's only a 2-to-1. I'm only taking 2-to-1s, and I'm only trading 5 micro contracts. I trade, regular minis to pass the account, and then once I get the account, I'm only trading micros because it just makes more sense. This candle right here already came back into it. It already touched the bottom of this right here. It came back into it. So I'm like, okay, cool. When it started moving back down, I'm gonna get in. I got in, and then this candle came up and then wicked me out, and then started moving back down immediately. So it was right about here where I got in again for my second entry. And then you can see on this candle, I hit TP over here, and then it came back up, and then it continued going in my direction. But I'm not really worried about after it. At least I got my dub. So that's all I was, that's all I'd be worried about. But yep. Yes, sir. That is it for today's trade breakdown. I'm gonna probably be back on here tomorrow. I really wasn't even going trade today because of CPI, but I think that it was at 7:30, so I was like, I'm gonna just see if I can get something out of it. So Luckily, I did. So I'm gonna be back on here tomorrow. Tomorrow is PPI news, so that's not as high impact as CPI. So I have no problem trading that too. So yeah, I'm gonna be back on it. I'm gonna be back on here tomorrow. Catch y'all boys. Subscribe to the channel for more trading content. Yeah, see y'all boys tomorrow. Let's get money.